What's up, you guys? It's Ashley and I'm back with another video. So yesterday I got butterfly locks done over my real locks and this is how it went. So this was a couple days before I got my hair done, but the day before I did my hair I made sure to wash my locks really well, and this was the hair my braider used to do my butterfly locks. She only used one pack. So my braider is located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'll be sure to put her Instagram in the description box below. I got to her house at 11 o'clock in the morning and I left at 2:30, so that was about 3.5 hours of me sitting in the chair, and for a person with thick locks I feel like that didn't take that long. She did have to repart my locks, which was a little bit painful, but it's whatever, it comes with the package. Y'all, she laid my edges, I'm not even gonna lie. They are just a little bit heavy, but I feel like over time I'll get used to feeling them on my neck. But my real locks are not heavy at all, so to have this weight on me right now, it's new, but I really like them. Yesterday when I first left her house I wasn't really feeling them, but now that I've been kind of playing around with different styles, and now that I see the benefits of a protective style, I feel like I would keep these in for at least a month. I'm gonna try. I have a really bad habit of taking out protective styles after like 2 weeks because I want to see how much my hair has grown, or I want to see my hair in general. But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep these in for a month. Today is November 7th, so by December 8th, hopefully I will be taking them. Today is November 7th, so by December 7th, hopefully I'll still have them, and I'll keep you guys updated over time. I've never gotten a protective style over my locks before. I have gotten a wig over my locks before when they were about 6 months locked, and I took that wig off after like 5 days because nah, it's just not my style anymore. The straight hair, I used to wear straight long hair, 24 inches in high school, and now that I've kind of I have this real appreciation for my natural hair. So like to wear long straight hair now, it's like, it just doesn't feel like me. I feel like my locks are a part of my identity now, and when I had that wig, I was just like, after 5 days, I was just like, let me get this alcohol and get this glue off my scalp because it's just not my thing anymore. Let me know what else you want to see on this channel, because obviously for the next month I won't be able to do too many lock videos, but I can do like more personal stuff. I don't know. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any tips on how to keep up with butterfly locks, and yeah, bye. I really like them. They're so cute. Like, can we talk about how 2 years ago I had acne scars and now like I'm somewhat baby smooth